Hi, sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but all this stuff's been going. Oh yeah, and happy day after Easter. Hey. No, yeah, a lot of things have happened since I wasn't making videos, so I haven't made videos, so a new haircut. Sorry, I just had a scratch. I got a dog. I got a dog like 3 months ago. He's cute. If they seem unprofessional, you're right. They are. I do this for fun. My teeth are white. At my bottom lip for some reason. And I'm not kidding, they look like sparkly white, dang. And so yeah, I hope y'all shall try. Oh, and I got Portal 2. Beat it in 2 hours. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Not 3 hours, 3.5. There's actually a lag. I will get my dog later. Can't pause the stay. Yeah, sorry, Coco. Get your camera shy. Coco, look. There he is. Coco, no white, just kisses. 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 So now I have a dog and 3 cats. Ah, my burn. Oh yeah, I got burned. Come on. Okay, now he jumped off my lap. Yeah, y'all got to saw him. Y'all got to see him. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And I will make more videos at least once a week. Coco, Coco, get off Kip. Coco. You're new to, okay. Yeah. Bye. Dang it, I missed a freaking click. Bye.